Welcome back to ChatGPT. We've been taking a look at some of the things GPT can do for us in our everyday work. If you wanted ChatGPT to author an email for you, you could ask it, write an email to check on a friend who was sick. His name is Joe and mine is Jack. Hit enter and it creates an email, most of the time very empathetic. And that would show a ton of care to whoever you were writing to. I know being under the weather can be pretty tough, so I wanted to drop you a line. You could go a step further when you're writing emails by asking it to up the ante on the empathy and the human feel. Up the ante on the human feel and empathy, and hit enter, and again it does wonders. And this is ChatGPT 3.5. This is not even ChatGPT 4. Now if I take that same command and I activate a new chat and go to GPT-4 and put in similar command, it writes a whole lot better. You can see how everyday it sounds. GPT-4 is great when it comes to everyday sounding emails. And that's one example of using emails in ChatGPT. If you wanted to write an email to a client, you could say, write an email to a client apologizing for being late to a major status meeting where I should have spoken. You can put further information like the name of the client is May and mine is Frank. Hit enter and watch the brilliance of GPT. Again, it understands the semantics, the context, the empathy needed, and off it goes to the races. So if you are ever at a loss for words, you don't know what to say in an email, always ask ChatGPT to write the initial email for you. I could further critique this email and I could say, this is too long. Make short and sweet, but empathetic. Hit enter. It understands what to do. Short and sweet. It truncates it, a few lines, boom, done. I hope you found value from this. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you'll be notified when there are more videos to teach you about AI and ChatGPT.